Hey everybody, it's the handbag hauler here coming to you with a video. Before I get into the video, please remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for my notifications. So this is a quick Publix couponing video that I am doing. But before I do that, just want to show you the bag of the day is my navy Coach Gallery tote. I have done a review on it already, and you can go back to my videos and see the review if you want to know more about it. But that is the carry for today. I don't know if you can tell in this video, it looks black to me on my screen, but this is the navy blue Coach Gallery tote. So anyway, today I went to Publix. My sister called me. She said, hey, you gotta go do this deal. So I just want to show you what I got really quick in this haul. This is the 13.2 ounces of the Persil Pro Cleaning Disc. I have I'll set it down. 3 of the Febreze Air. I believe they were $3.29 each. I had a coupon for $3 off. There was a store promotion for $3 off. And then I had another coupon for $1 off. So that would make those, I should have added this up and I did not. However, it was like $2 and some change for these 3 Febrezes. And I got the Glade warmer. This is just the warmer. That was free. I had a coupon that if you buy it at $1.79 or below $2, it was free. So I got that. The Persil was $5.49. I had a coupon for $3 off, which would have made it $2.49. So this total transaction was $4.63 for everything that you see here, and it is saying that I saved $13.79. So that is what I paid for this. These coupons for the Persil expires tomorrow, September 11th, and then I think I should have saved it. I don't remember, but this is still going on now. This also is still going on now. This was in the P&G. The Febreze Air would be in your Publix app. So you have to clip the coupon in order to use it. So you can clip the coupon for the $3, and there is another one for $1. So you can go ahead and clip those 3 coupons and get this deal. So everybody, if you are interested in doing it, this is a very, very easy one. Like I said, all you have to do is clip the coupons in your Publix app. If you just want to do the Febreze, you can do that. So clip the $3 one and the $1 coupon. If you have a P&G, you will have the coupon for the Persil, and that is $3 off. That's in the P&G again. And also the Glade is, if you buy it and it's under $2 for the Glade, you can get it free. So, and these 2 are the paper coupons that you would need to do this one. So I just wanted to come to you guys with a quick video. I hope everyone is staying safe and enjoy the rest of your week. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please remember to like and subscribe. Have a great week, everyone.